no akwaba ka won say latest and hot news and I'm a bro now you subscribe to channel dia but more than say over subscribe na like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share na wo foforo so enye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo a ekoso ewo Ghana memo hadom afi yemhwe eye ensemo aba betudwa eye the president John Dramani Mahama eye 1 year ni you're swearing in our by the president. Now already my cost the performance near the out say man for do na ebo a Mahama Baso say why dey papa. Now the two NPP for 8 years the ombe ya and no na me jago ka say ombe kritie one is abi lutu na the name of the ensemble Bediatuo fa John Dramani Mahama na mamu or they compare NPP4 any award to be money a year NPP4 papa. I mean fa the name me funny picture to a screen so I mean funny picture to screen so na wa wuni me no na ohu the pakra meka na semo na na majago oni or centrania or Onia TV na no na or assess the performance of the president John Dramani Mahama awarded to NPP for their 8 years. They want to be or just one day want to be critics lutu ebi na Ken Ofori Atta as say we dwane every Ghana memoir ye pekwan e de na ba Ghana memoir and also akoye bebre na wode good performance na de etimi abo ma say dollar no so ate etimi aba form NPP4 wana peso na to say dollar nam 70 wana to aso be pim na ene say kind number 20 something akoye bebre na to say John Dramani Mahama no why na just say wo pese wo set record say the beya wo chine bi oni ho a etimi abori dimpa say say dimpa sen ahonya to say Mahama oba da nya agro na oba bedi wo kire say de ni abre abawa ne ko position to say we sue ne mabebre into ne comeback here why na just say on for Ghana for any agro just say we listening government now share NPP4 there on there na hwemfo no ho wo kan hwe a warentie de wane pe ena wane ya tu say wane nwe Ghana for ho na na Agyarko san comparison we NPP ni John Dramani Mahama ni performance ni ade atutu bi mane NPP4 papa wa forward ho anche we won pasa na wada ensem dodo na ra edi na ententemara inkuti ensem na Agyarko re tudwa bra assess the performance of John Dramani Mahama any NPP government inkuti ensema wode tudwa inkuti ensem no yenti ensem no
all die say all die and to be 12 dia e be 2024 ba se de yankasa ye tu ye husi wo se ye gi ye man no ye mfa tuo but ye be gi ye man ye de ye man age wo man fo ani we ya power ni nie the sovereignty ye ni ye timamufo no ye na power no tumi ni kuta ye se ye de ye man pa so ye de ye man ni ya gi ye man so anya botre siesie ye man Only before election they be na me kan say yato abawi a obia nkwaje ni certificate of survivor wa unya wo de kwana kokoje certificate of survivor just any ye survivors ne wo Ghana ho obia survive obia ye survivor e wo Ghana ha say na wo senka president Mahama enka na Akufo Addo ni ministers ni omo MPs omo ex-gratia de ye party maye seriously free food I was senka omo ye party president Mahama said that to ne boss said we are Ghana for ma bre no na Akufo Addo vice president ministers of state obia gracia bia president Mahama I was senka wo de ye party e de maye ne de dodo ye kra ya bro erade enti se na e betimi di afia magana ye ya bro ajida bi de be kan ya asem ajida bi Ghana ya bro wona ye experience ya memu fun tantan ihunu se we de abacho ho wonsunsanso amemu e kasa memu ye fun pa se amemu ye fun pa 8 years ni no enti na me say constitutional review no committee no you know the by recommendation say president in 5 years e ka ba na da so wa yi misdream nkwasum say na 4 years ni sha Eti can kwa 5 years. Eti kana na do betwa 10 years. Fallacy fuei. Fallacy fuei komo da so di ya so sa abre ya yetiwe. Hey. Akabana kan ya yifu we no ka ayi later no kanam 25 Ghana cedis. Enka dollar. O kabana kan ni Zimbabwe fo na ebo. Wo kwato bread ya no ahye sika agu ayi pantra waso. Ai, ka Ghana cedi ni nkasai. Ka fallacy fuei da so di ya so. Misrim nko asumu. Hey, constitutional review in Pancho 5 years in there 4 years na ye. Because I 8 years. Canada do coin bias at all costs. And Kajemen say we a woman in Kabana. And Canada don't I can't 1 year. Hey, rather. And then can come back below. Maybe mom de Kabana can be clean to Amsterdam. Oh, seriously, maybe mom them decide. Said your money kwane pa de say message quote to actually to make up them. Don't want to know cleaning. There was no hope. Just say, Osha wa mine mu or render o mine useless. O may 60 years I want a retirement mu. Ghana enya efishie bi 60 years just no wa mobra or render o mine useless. Ade a che me former place Laboni na wo do American embassy a kofa ho no be 3 am. Kwahwe Ghana mabunu maba wane mrantie ya wogina wona so ahodi sesisi kwabrafo a wasalai e kwabrochi akopepa adi kwahwe Canadian embassy China na yi ye fe se kata kura de so mo kata nom Dubai nom anu ani sete se ni pedi obi adwane because wo hwe wo man ni ma na wo hunu se economic indicators Professor Stephen Hanke why are professor economist Oyebroni and the yan kasa Professor Lord Mensa and Bob Kenom catch hunu say situation Ghana no a better care for decades not 10 years they were not talking about 5 years 10 years so was it decades betimi ateki more than 20 years and san o man na de etimi recover eti Ghana na Akufo Addo Dr. Bawumia mo render Ghana useless na African countries comedian for cry ko gina yiso na podium na wo mu ye ya no omo sere Ghana can we imagine omo comedian for no na omo de Ghana omo asesa Ghana si ho na omo sere Kwame Nkrumah Ghana because oman na are useless oman no omo render omo esanse nipa ba ne ba so obewia na wakum na wasei mon pesa quotation ni mame nipa ba no ba so obewia na wakum no wasei na sa quotation no fa bia no obewia omo wia ye wia de Loóters omo kreti omo kreti bibia those omo flip-flop policies no obe kreti sesi anu wa lutu omo lutu anu omo share so omo kreti policy bia ho no omo di bibia to so planting for food and job omo kreti ni ye twasika ni ye de wuram ni ye gyebusia ni ye di wuram ho omo wia no omo lutu no omo share national service chese hey yerade afa quotation ni pa ba ne ba so obewia no wakum no asei na Akufo Addo Dr. Bawumia mo NPP ministers NPP for quotation no obi ni one ma wadadwene ye say just a year the thief come not but for to steal and to kill and to destroy I come that they might have life Mahama is the hope hey John 10:10 I see the John Power Mahama John 10:10 share and that's one John 10:10 was it or you for the bass will be wia no wakum na wasay na John 10:10 don't remember Mahama say maybe I may ba say me ba ma woni pai dey enya nkwa enya ni da so enya hope hey ya bro rade ya chese ya brankasa chese ya brankasa nyame anti Ghana ya rescue ye ho eti ne ka so osoro boado oboa no ho no o he wasoro boado oboa no ho onipa ba ne ba so be wianu akunu asai na John 10:10 de oso ba so obeji Ghana siesie no na tese hope bia ni ba bia falasifo no adwoma na kenten so ama ya da ne chese ye wo misdream enkwasumu ai falasifo panane ne nkrofo ama yetiye mamu bat na ayese ho oman ni mu afune yei oman no emu afune yei mesi kabana nka Amsterdam kabana nka bia yesis no atofri bese ni omo dare kabana nka minamu kamikotwi kamikoye mi cleaning me koye mi cleaning just na hope bia ni Ghana ha sei omo create way no omo lutu no omo share no omo create way no omo lutu no omo share no omo create way no omo lutu no omo share and the Ghana nya 1 year for the first time in years so Christmas back to back wo wunni mu a wo be frɛ me pass send me message so ho akyere wo no kwanya me do be fa so no mo jimani amanfa yi anto ho no adwe anto ho no I said there's no tomorrow and go for to mo say because ye hunu bi ache hwe me maame ka kyerɛ me say na mo se ayi Mahama so onko bi adenti no so onko bi na me se adai wo se moda baby a December 2024 me ko gina ye safra ayi anwa yellow no yellow ayi no sa no an sa ayi fried toy or see last year 2024 December or 200 was see me jump petrol shop this year my 130 Ghana cedis yes was see my 130 it was say na mo say I didn't na president Mahama I didn't no was say I didn't know so wonko biem e my person wonko biem di ase ya wu o the last time me kan wa ha say the last time me say me da one na se me tell me hye me say president Mahama wonko biem yi onye greedy we kra nye greed president Mahama we nye greed because 4 years ne de president Mahama so wonko biem yi se me ya na me mu ahye me say de na wo Ghana yanim de na wo yanim de na wo yanim de na wo yanim because nyankopon ma ne mpare Ghana say sa te bia no ye besa so akomu biem ene ya fi president Mahama di wu hene John 10:10 wo ba sa wo be di wo man na ase no wasiesie falasifo ne ba so mu be wia no makum na wo masei ene mi di president Mahama 1 year ene Ghana na obi anya white ya bro erade ya bro che ye mu bia ne yeti ye wo space mu ne yeti media no so no na ye nsuro de ye besi former dismiss CJ so na gina ho no ade ya say resign simple ne akanka ye say ya dismiss ya sacked former chief justice na gina ho no no madam justice Ketu Tokunu I say resign simple na fati we no say ya sack me ampa wat no ha me ya sack ya say u CV hwe say ye mu bi no na afeni ye nsuro hwe say ya tena ye platform so ni ye kasa ye kan say mu beku ye mu nkuye ye mu be ye bia mo nye ye go to your point Ghana ha no no ye TV so Loóters radio so no na ye fa hwe hu biem the meaning of the yasantoa yasantoa so me da ho na me da de twetwere na me yemu asemi me de twetwere me tuka na adwona se moto di machi a na me panipa ma akopake because we didn't omekum ayi friend say COP George bibi ya okodi nkonkonsa wa ayi NPP chairman not the regional chairman he did the same nidi ayi chairman ya hwehwe jagum bubu jagum yi kekere former NPP chairman Northern Region okodi entro won we COP George Mens Alex Mensa bibi okodi entro won we me see one mu lick tape no was say hey na Akufo Addo aban mu nipa wu krasen wonu anu mutom was say nipa wu krasen Wallens soja mamu wonu ane kan ye wonu onu ane kan was say nipa wu e was sa lick tape wonu ane kan ye COP police penimpa okodi nsode yi a ne ho ba so ne da mpare nya issue o si nipa ewu ewo president Akufo Addo abemu no esin Rollins amemuo but na ye nsuro hwi bia me yesi mu bekuya ye mu nkuya ye mu be ye bia mu nya ye ewo si ye mu bi ye tiam ni ye de ne aka kire Ghana for say 7 December ye second independence wo bi MP tuo e de be wo bi MP na meto aba obi ama ballot box ho ban police for kutatuo say de kura face them Afenyo hey John Tenten hey Bible mu asem de so hu say we me ye no ampa President Mahamadu Jo ampa John Tenten yensia John Tenten ya kagana nki yewu yensia John Tenten ya he kagana nka he na nka ba now wo kai miracle aboade I say NDC we ni $1 bedu $25 cedis okay NPP for in opposition. Omo kasa ka na John Mahama no wo be ye day because wo munim say omo destroy system no. This system no mu bibia wo ma wia. Na omo nim say ede ideas ede na wo de ba ede ai. Omo nim say wo meto wo be to ka wo be to o man ya sei. Wo be to o man ya ye be to o man ni nyina aka 120 billion ye dey do over 700 billion say o man na aba beto wo beto o man ya kase bibia nim bibia sana enti no wo mo agina ho na mo say John Mahama wo be ye dey enti mi ye mu bia bi say na President Mahama so nim guase o peso so ai die enim guase e dey so be dey no wasoa John Tenten say no wo ba so ba beje o man na mpa na ye bisi a wo say na President Mahama so wo bo ba be ye dey President Mahama di wo hene na kwara na wo fifi kwete wo nsem aka kai President Mahama na no so wo nkobim let me tell you say enye President Mahama na decide this wo nkobim na 4 years enough mano transformation be your person wey ye bia obetimi achieve within 4 years and ka na bo fifi kwete let me tell you this morning can fa ho and will be obeying to NDC. Yen the President Ghana for yen the President Mahama Bank, ya besame na kubiem. Can no amount of protest or necessary pressure noise be one more. Can ye Ghana you to know? Ye na you to know. Ye na 7 that say enye mranti ani maba one December 7th and adwoma na copy meter and can go for na kaba no ma wiem. 2020 no man kwa nkoton wan kojisika 2020 man nkoton wan kwa kojisika 2020 mu NDC for Ghana youth jai mu city be sebe ya amumu anya mfiri mu nsem 2020 mu man nkoton ankwa kojisika so mu city bebre ho aye bomu edundum light gidi firi mu nsem eti ya Ghana youth Ghana for no mu gina wo manam so 7 December de 8 December anadwo nkrofo ana ballot box ye say omo de ka besi wo no so mo boa ye bekuta ememu ankrofo ma omo se ne mu beku ye kuta chase nkrofo out no kasa nkrofo no se President Mahama nkobie mu a ono mu fifi kwete no amount of your shouting and I can make you say bibia o because the akomugia no wo menye the akomugia no wo menye President Mahama nya sika wai what is yakwa international market say akwa bobosia what is yakwa euro bond what is yakwa di cocoa loan but share within a short time or my say ya catch the Ghana say e better care for decades not 10 years not 15 years after 20 years and no money betimi recover in less than 1 year now finance minister Dr. Ato Forson said we are out of danger we are out of crisis oh my ya see e better care better 30 years and sana or memo one more professor for book long for now in less than a year na so man here team recover from this economic crisis now also obeko bi mu a ya fam ho be no party eka mo party nka mo pomu pon ka mo de ne beba eka mo de President Mahama beba ena ye se ye nyina ye koda nyame ase pre for court presidency anymore 8 years started ena me wasante atma gogo no for MP so ofia ohine frimpon hwe gold board enti na NPP fo ani abere na wo hunu ne wo nyom no enti na NPP fo ani abere wo nyom no hwe ma me kasam kyerɛw every year bia wo man no you started the year with euro bond cocoa syndicated loan enti mu a okay dollar ba ye yes ya fi mu no be match April one mo ba na dollar ne ti ba 9 10 no almost China for no US for na enya omu de esi omu nyanya ayi say war say but business ayi a enti no na ama dollar aba fom enti say si na dollar ne nam 10 11 no okay ya kwachi Venezuela president na ama dollar aba fom oh dirty politics propaganda and put two measures in place and reduce inflation. I'm a single digit inflation. Ama say ye sick Ghana currency no and munyama bema hodia bemwa say and ya China for any America for na enya NDC government enya President Mahama enya Dr. Ato Forson enya buying initiative bia na ya China ya US ya wamwa no maka then the gullible minded people among us no masom omonya hwe me of akwara say ya China na America for it say no dollar na nam 10 hwa akona they say so yakwachi Venezuela president no America kwachi Venezuela president no enunti na dollar ne nam 10 ohun mama madwini mu bie na politicians say you so madwini dodo o mu chinchin madwini too much senye gold border senye gold board policy ya president Mahama ne the government introduce ya enka miracle board ka kire Ghana for say dollar be do 25 Ghana cedis no enka ba na enka dollar nam 25 Ghana cedis na enka ba na ofu we liter kan number 30 Ghana cedis and so ne later be the 1 cedi dia to so wo mo kro no mo be boy electricity e ka wo mo dia to wo no mo no over wo mo ko na ka da ECG for ho no mo kwa na energy sector o ka nkwa ECG twa mu be se ko e buru dia ho be se 80 something billion and ne ya the 1 cedi na to so yeah and ka yakwa esma saba ma me dia ma for picture no to so ma me fuel prices no 1 cedi ne da so me de test o fa to so ma me. When was the last time I kwadi bronya? Hey, ni ebe kwadi bronya. Ni ye beba. Me say ye di bronya na idi be renew ye ni mu anu. Ni atutu fi we ebuom. Estatia ye tumu a. Me say wo de from December na kwa yinu anu ni atutu fi we ebuom. But for the first time in years. For the first time oh. Ye di bronya wie ye ni yes ya titifu we buo so Mahama John 10 is the whole papa ya titifu we buo so 1 cedi liter na da so super 10 cedis 99 pesos diesel 11 cedis 96 pesos super XP and also 30 me say e kabana ya titifu we buo ya tutum na ye tu mu aso no hunu say wo kwa kotonta enema ya tubu enema bom provisions obi bia wo tobia na atum because asen when bia ye beto petrol bom bia ano e wo se ye totoga John 10 do otimi ye no God board policy God board initiative tina se meti kuram ha sei na se meti se wo mo kakeka matisa kosua manu munam eno mo kakaka ena ye gold board ena ye Bawumia ideas ena mo bae no na gold ye 30 tons ena na yi Bank of Ghana ena gold no ena NDC bae 1 ton pen ye account mo like ideas masa research say wo be kwa kwatena wo be fa na wiase wo be fa ye research no akeka na wo kan here wo wano no practical ya de na ye hunu se wo ye enya hre na wo enchu empo apo ye nyina yetimi jebi yetimi tire bi papa me metwa wase apo no mudwusemia ya be chi watum mi di baba na dwosa na ma tire bi asese mi tira ase ne me amaja akọ akọ abi timi nche osan ni ma san no na me say ma say na wo be sole wo san me san we dwanam say na wo be sole afria because wo san me san Usain bi mesain bi usain si mesain si. Vigilator ni am ma sa relax. Ba masa me beje e fa akofie. Hwe. Me se enya de ne se na Dr. Bawumia ideas. Ena kwesi say Dr. Bawumia ideas na mo so da mu dwum na Dr. Bawumia ideas no. Ye ti krom ato dollar. Mami go he 2021 yenko. Okay. Hwe fa yi to so gold no. Gold ni de na bi wo krom ha pa. Hwe na bi wo krom ha pa. Boss Godwin, forgive me this morning, eh? Na gold wo krom ha pa. Enye se na bi ni krom ha. Na bi wa ha. 2020 where year bay where 2023 where 2023 gold production across countries, gold production across countries. She ewiase nyina ye ka manya e ban gold production omudi kan ya China, Russia, no about Australia, no about Canada, no about United States, no about Ghana. 2023 no about Ghana. 2022 na Ghana toss 11th. 2023 na 2022 na Ghana toss 11th. Ghana ye ka wiase aho. Amanya omu to from agudie gold a Ghana toss 6. Na Dr. Bawumia na mo ho. Na ye NPP government na ho. 2023 ye nie na go but yet Ghana ha na gold aye curse gold aye no me amoman no because if aso na nya wo gold mu an say everyday ya de ese ye nsuo ese ye kwaye brentuo e destroy wo man no na gold na ye toss sex no na kwaye mafia for property individually among us and na ye beneficiary of sa ewiase nyina na Ghana ye toss sex. Ewiase nyina Ghana ban gold production ye to 6 but sa on mine we sikampo ano mine gold mine na senior citizens and been wafo ne kokora wafo pensioners ya wo mu du o mu sika kwoto bond ebiti hwiche mu ya so binum wo mu nkasa sika ya wo mu brenya ye no o mu de akoto bond ama Ken Ofori Atta say wo ye debt restructuring oni bi ontua na omo daika enam ani abrem wo amo ka na gold no ena ye NPP initiative ena NPP ena nya 30 tons ena mo be 1 ton pe ena 30 tons no mo de ye dai 30 tons no na mo we ana mo de ye dai mo se bia no makwa akoton mo se bia no makwa akoton ye han private jet de ma president ni ya sesa Ghana ni emagum ye ncheke hwe no ode sin no ode kɔ no ode ba mafiafo ena maka ye gugu antana mo be ena mu di ye so ena ho kire na mo di ye wuram ma me 2024 de ye hwe 2024 ba bia na Ghana da 2023 it was 6. 2024 it was say. 2024 China, Russia, Australia, every other country in the world. Just a mission. Canada, US, Ghana. That's what that's so. 2023, 2024. Yeah, that's what that me I done. See so. And we are seeing hey. Just say, Mama Ghana, you useless. Ma, okwa pension and around home. Oh, manya chesa with all the natural resources, everything. Now, coupon them all the 16 region. Voter region, see a bedroom move for Ghana, a bedroom move for any slimmer Ghana, young Kramoda. You see a bedroom bunch in the board, dear, your one, your bedroom, your wasasi, Coco, Western Asante, just your bedroom. Oh, manya now coupon, your sassy, you know, your gold. If you have Koran, you see a bet to gold. You're the bet to gold. Be build na betie bia nyankopan hira Ghana ya ye ka amai tena e ba ni gold say ye tu a good day dey develop your my this say wo man ya Ghana ye toso nsia this same country esan krono esan tirimodin esan nipa bone esan adom bone me say Bible mu asem o say nipa bone ni edi wo man so a o man ni mu nipa ye de esia pini se nipa bonini edi wo man so a o man no esia pini because se nye criminal se nye wickedness nye criminalities, nye wickedness, nye tirimodea kana na Akufo Addo uni excuse. Unya sikabu trillion. Usika 8 years unya ya fabo man ho bra no. U predecessor 8 years when you half. But obetimi abubo hospitals, abubo projects, market centers, abubo niema interchanges. But for 8 years, NPP in government, Omanya, a nyina God producing country, ya tosu 6, 8 years, NPP government ain't mean pick point. One major monumental project. Say hospital way enemy see yet. Say interchange way enemy ye. Pokwa say amasama interchange President Mahama project. U predecessor. We buy no makoji sikano and the African Development Bank design plan be no ma ye. What the ye any form na chunu monche mon kana ni panemu no. 8 years NPP government 8 mean monumental project say market kese way ye na esi ye de ma Ghana. Me see ni pa boni ni di o man so a o man ni si apini. Awo de we kwajo opon kroma mo FTSim. God board aboka. Me God board wo me nkan wo bi o. But we fact ye fact. God board aboka 200 God board ama Bank of Ghana aboka 214 million Ghana cedis. Me dey fie sana me senti dia. Say God board ma Ghana aboka kura 10 billion and so what? And my Bank of Ghana aboka and so what? Say your God board and Ghana for can make catch them say and your President Mahama policy initiative God board yeah when you be to say Doctor can say Ato Forson and ya Sammy Gyamfi and ya Bemu penifua John 10 omo ba so be Ghana nkwa ho I swear and can nipa betonton nipa wo kurom ha ki e betonton ye hu wo kurom ha kwadwo pon kuroma God for oil e kasa na mo de baaye Dr. Bawumia, mo launch gold for you 2022. E wo bra dollar do 17 cedis. E wo bra na to 1 liter, more than 20 Ghana cedis. And am the gold for you buy. Say e ka say Bank of Ghana si ka say no pompe ye di gum wo. E ka say na mo de buy. Mo nche ye ka ya mo de buy. Gold for you 2.14 billion Ghana cedis. What's why you gold no? And no kofa middleman o kofa middleman and dey omo ya de pa ye ncheni be create lutu ase ni sisi a and no dey omo be create champions and no dey champions omo be create lutu omo pe kwan ye wi Ghana gold no e dey akono and omo dey fa gold for oil so we introduce policy 2022 Ghana boka 2.14 billion Ghana cedis 2023 gold for oil, yaboka 317 million Ghana cedis. Tikana, most of the Adiana policy, some of the buy some of the Bible rescue or my any city no. More lucky ideas, laziest approaching, Kwana Namonamso. What first year, 2023, 317 million Ghana cedis. 2024, gold for oil, Dr. Bawumia initiative. Akosho me what does Dr. Bawumia ideas dibu omu use 2024 gold for oil yaboka 1.82 billion Ghana cedis. Sika Central Bank a committee ye edira gold for oil mu eye 4.69 billion Ghana cedis. E mu 45% eye losses. Sika wo yi ye edira gold President Mahama wo manifesto also be investigate gold for oil. Me be monte mente ho hwe. E wo manifesto Musi gold for your losses. Central Bank pompe sika or committee sika 4.69 billion Ghana cedis. E mu 45% eseye. Yeti kromuha just a year 2022 Bank of Ghana otontos otomako otogene Bank of Ghana obobosia 2022 Bank of Ghana boka 60 point something billion 60.8 billion 2022 Bank of Ghana yeah and now mostly because of gold board Bank of Ghana about 214 we are talking about million and 1 billion po and 500 million po say gold board ama Bank of Ghana about 214 million Ghana cedis Bank of Ghana obobosia o Jessica otonjene otomako guta for mujibusia Bank of Ghana. Just a year, Bank of Ghana bought over 60 billion with Kroma. President Mahama, who buy MNT former governor, and start listening. We investigating. Maintain say press conference is here. Attorney General, Dr. Dominic Ayeni. Maintain say Bank of Ghana Samabo Hoa, but President Mahama in opposition. Who catch that say who bam investigating Bank of former BOG boss. I fear what Ghana hire one mra Juma and regulating the central bank. Say I feel way say Ghana budget 100 billion. Say Omani here more yen 10% and support it. Just a year Bank of Ghana Tresika over 40 billion and the Akufo Addo man some find your bay for or print because machines go ho, papers go ho, ink go ho, stamp go ho, and one is omo pump sika, and print sika gum. Na ordinary Ghanaian sofa, na inflation na 54%. President Mahama ubaya, Kwaku Annan, Ken Ofori Atta Omo mama kagu ha waja omo. Waja omo, Kwaku Annan, Ken Ofori Atta na krom ha no mo adwem bone, adwem fi, eti yade ani aduro na ye no. Ghana had your munimana some kwaje bosia ya kwaji rebond aba na okuta haban ni ye kenke party wache no mutidi na nya sebe enyansa ni palaki wo kurom ase ya wo akwaje bosia wa kan Ghana population over 33 million e de akwaje bosia no ya ho party wo kan yai na de ya akwaje bosia na ma ba che ni madi na be tua muka abaifo. Now, Dr. Bawumia Campaign say, you see the principalities. And how am I no? Principalities be na net chair more. Principalities be and a net chair more. Just say, Mutimu diama, man do a minor destroy man, man for a mining muni pano, men will get padia say, ye sabi, slave be mamma, men will get padia mudia. Mufa kwa, namu dia kwajulo, no ma bechenumadi. Mufa goldwa, namu kwa tong, namu di sia wa, namu di. Mofa way na mudi na ma destroy my na say breaking the 80 and then yes Ghana for near 2 years wusi wasase ya nyere ho a 2020 NDC for mpanifo bi koji sika ya menyere ye ho mbesa koji sika mbesa aton wade no ene ma ya ni bria na rescue o man ya enka ba now enka NPP ya eda so di so enka sankrofo na omudi wo man na bro ebo wo man ne kro no wi wo man no Loóters enko man na da so edi wo man so politicians so enfa woni the 8 years wanya o onyo opportunity for us Afenyo obe start abrabo de wo pia de agu na chini nyina no Afenyo wo sa ba start abrabo foforo eno de atwam Afenyo obe start abrabo foforo. It's God for all your president Mahama me say we NDC manifesto. Me NDC manifesto me translate e ko twi enti di to efa bia wo mitirim. Wo so ba investigate akosi say. Ken Ofori Atta Dwane. Dr. Bawumia wa ha and on introduce ye. Bank of Ghana former ayiwa wa ha. Mo mfra wo na mo misa wo mo say adenti no de mra da ye adwuma. Na violating the constitutional mandate. Not just a fee or just over 40 billion. They make for na some family mo bayi. Mo destroy wo man. Che Tinubu ba Nigeria governor. Omo chine simple kra. Or demu be 7 months. Because almost for decades, or mine inflation do 22%. Omo hunu bi da. Yeah, they do 54%. We are talking about 54. And what you be say 22. Se wo naira no currency na ho de ba fom ento mo chi wo mo governor ai Nigeria wo mo central bank governor John Tenten me boa mo kan chem se me boa but ye de akwanya no ho adwodwo ne ho wadwodwo ne ho na ye chesi de wadwane ena owo sika wa wi Ghana sika ntino wa fa a lawyer fo ena da no eje kan ye no lawyer se pa ye so wa wi ye sika de ti America e di ene ye ba betwema nso na wo ye be ma abra se woni bone abra Ken Ofori Atta woni bone abra ewrade ye do ma ni di agro enka omanya hwe omanya ya 2021 ye nya Eurobond 2022 ukwai 2021 ye kopere Eurobond ye nya bi 2022 ne started debt restructuring program afibia hwe NDC President Mahama Eurobond market okwa oji ne 1 billion omoji ne 1 billion 1.2 billion former President Akufo and started Eurobond on what they say do oji yakra na enu $1 billion oji ni kakra mbe say 500 million on what ye NDC ba omoji ni kakra opana fallacy for just a year omutimeje be say $5 billion adimu owadwapade omo awoman nim omo fa yesese be emuwa na omo hwe wo hwe the rate at which na ne me ekoso Ghana ha senu a wo mu hunu nipa se ye nipa wokrom ha wo dear President Mahama Jeni 4 years no Eurobond omo jeni just a year otimide 5 billion oje 3 billion no oji koko syndicated loan no di piso enti 2021 Ken Ofori Atta si ena fiscal space bia ne ye booksum ya debt to GDP and 104% or international market akopo bosia oduru wa na brofo no se masa sa mismanagement no corruption ni Loóters no munya biem 2022 no dollar do 17 cedis no because Ken Ofori Atta ekwa international market ekwa kwaji Eurobond wanya bi enti wanya dollar ama dada na wo ma je no o ma che egusisiri abrada pa mo dem no yomu ba na omo che ya no na gugu omo dem no afo mo na control system no hwe enu mi screenshot to ade bi dollar me ba hwe 2017 enu me pema yi sesi a I'm hoping say me hu ni sesi a na me hwe ade 2022 yes starting Afenyo na fuel price oh e wa he fa kra fuel price me nya show se me hu ade we na it was around best 6 cities January 6 cities later 6 cities later e kwa 7 cities e do October November na nam 20 cities later enura mi screenshot ya asen ka me use but mi hu ba bia me de akwakoto na ade na kwa bukef ennamu ebu vumpan na ebu vumpan na ekọ na eba 2022 yes starting January there's a later 6 cities these are no 7 cities me see etimi koya ekoye kokodruye adentina ne ye wo gold egu dem 30 tons no amo kasa mu na munya 30 tons na NDC nya 1 ton per ka ho no adan na mahuru nyansa se gold no enye no me fama wo man no eye nhira de ma wo man no mama me man video no buanya yi Ghana fo di President Mahama Ghana fo da was John 10 wo ba so beje o man na siesi o man me na jadi for man bi wo de ma me jadi for man yet Ghana the laziest approach I see obi ba we try 11 na mu gina parliament minority leader mo e gina parliament say na 11 no o mu twamu no mbede no mabu o man no 11 no a o mu twamu no ene betting tax no so mu twamu no mo bede no mabu o man no watwa 11 mu watwa betting tax mu watwa emission tax mu sika gere ayi di ya magrada de agya wo mo sika gere na say ye di wo kurom ha udia na etu ideas papa ye kwade bosia o ye nya ye friend say bosia bia fi babia ye kwade obi amire sika mentese President Mahama ba ye yakoba bia kwade bosia bia but dollar busu okrom ha forex e busu okrom ha ena dollar ye say mama me ma no buru nya adwadi ma for years since a COVID-19 2020 2020 ye kan ye good dem se moa edi sika saa COVID ba ye mu di edi sika saa na mo cheye ena mu chase kan nyina ena mu di wi election mu 2020 2021 na mo start say gap and then they didn't kill mo o man crisis no kwa no e wese no mo na no mu wi I'm the videos man president Mahama 1 year ni tie ibro nyama de 4 months mo mo ka muntie ajoya mi wa do ye ama fi patu ye Mahama wa ma asumbi aba man we afi mi suma ti ma to mu wan bag mi to ka mi to bi da afi mi suma to bi ma ta kon ti aka ho ka fi enye ye de na mi bua afi de ko ye pa bi pro Mahama de wa ma ka mewu sa
oh, compared to last year, now who is saying?
I feel where they are going. Me and Paddy, I wish I meet last year. I'm assuming go look at me this
year, demo. Any bacono, just a bacono, ya really. Anyway, you know, pepper.
Compared to last year, now who is saying?
This year.
Okay.
This year, Mahama, Tinyama market this year, last year.
This year, I say last year. What are they on? Oh, okay. Okay.
Five.
Last year, radio money, a photographer,
Mahama, asumbi aba man we afi mi suma ti ma to mu wan bag mi to ka mi to bi da afi mi suma to bi ma to kon ti aka ho ka fi enye ye de na mi bua afi de ko ye pa mama ra ho o so won to mu bag da palasi fo di so abere no ato mu bag but afi we wo so wa to mu bag asa so ato ponchi aka ho Every former Ekatosafi, a koya, na koye.
Wede and somewhere ye na Agyarko edit to John Dramani Mahama the performance near my year within just 1 year and no and 7 na wade to what it toto a year NPP a year the Akufo Addo any Bawumia government the course ho and I want to be a dear mom na what they accept to do na ra atuja. So now subscribe ya bombardia say over subscribe to channel na like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share that wafoforo so enya bi hwe da wo hu ensemo a ekoso ewo Ghana memu hanum wati bin kabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.